In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments online using Stripe. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website. Stripe is an innovative platform that provides the necessary financial infrastructure to help you grow your revenue by accepting payments online with ease. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look out for the Sign In button. You'll find this typically in the upper right corner of the page. A quick click on that will take you to the login screen. Here, you're going to enter your email address and password. Make sure your password is strong and secure to keep your account safe. Once you've filled in those details, go ahead and click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Stripe Home dashboard. This is your central hub for all activities related to your financial transactions. From here, navigate to the Payments section. You should find this located in the sidebar on the left. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a more detailed view of your payment activities. Next, you're going to click on Payment Links. This handy feature allows you to create a simple link for your customers to use for payments, which is perfect for businesses that need a straightforward billing solution without the hassle of a full-scale e-commerce setup. From there, to create a payment link, you'll see an Add Product button. Go ahead and select this to start customizing your payment links. You'll need to fill in some product information like product name, description, or price, depending on what you want to offer. With your product set, you'll then proceed to select the options you want. This might include details about quantity or other specific attributes relevant to what you're selling. If you require more controls and settings, be sure to click on Advanced Options. This step will grant you further customization to tailor the payment process precisely to your needs. After you've adjusted the settings to your liking, you'll finally have everything in place to proceed. Now click Pay and the system will guide you through the final checkout steps to appear in your payment link. Finally, click the Create Link button. Congratulations, you've just made a payment link ready to share with your customers. To see your newly created link in action, click on Payment Link. This will give you a preview to ensure that everything looks good and works as expected before sharing it with your customers. And there you have it, a streamlined process to accept payments online with Stripe. Feel free to explore more of Stripe's features, and happy selling.